I'm Steve DiPaola, and this is my research lab. And I'm going to show you another biosensing work that we do here for health and education in other forms. Here you can see I have this very simple band on my face and around my ears, and that's the Muse 2 biosensor. Let me show you what my brainwave looks like, because that's what I'm going to control. So first I'm going to send you over to my phone. And we can see that it says gamma up here, and which is now more concentrated in yellow. Here we see a little symbol of the sensors that it's picking up in my brain, and I'll show you what I'm controlling. I'm now really calming down and trying to make it the universe. There you go, the white noise of the universe. So I'm going to now, with my mind, try and bring the flock of birds back. There you go, concentrating. I'm going to try and keep it in this middle area. There you go, right there. And again, so I'm doing that literally with the gamma waves of my brain. And now I'm going to actually try and concentrate deeply and think of breathing, think of my heart. And there I have my beating heart as birds flocking. And I will pull out again, see if I can do it slowly as the flock. Yeah, I can. And then fully as the universe. And as I'm trying to do that, maybe I'll just show you the phone again and show you what those gamma wave, how that looks. So you can see I did get low, and now I'm coming back up. And if you can see, if you pull up, coming up is in fact going to turn it back into a heart. So I'm really doing that by thinking of it and concentrated and thinking internally, and we can control this for calmness and therapy and health, but we could do it in art pieces and to have avatars understand our feelings and a number of other ways that we have in our lab. Steve DiPaola, thanks very much.